This right here is my Tecate 3. It's a 1985. It's torn apart. Cleaned it up a little bit. Motor is junk. Do not have rear plastics or the front one. Shocks are good. Was a roller when I got it. I tore it apart. Yeah, but here she is. I'll show you the motor in a second. Now the swing arm I was taking and I cleaned up. Got this side pretty decent. Still needs some touch up, but you can see this side has a lot of oil buildup. Gonna scrape it off and clean it. Try to save that original color, not scratch it up. But pretty solid. I'm not sure on these Tecates if it's a common thing, but mine has a broken frame, which has been not so goodly welded together, which I'm definitely gonna clean up. But everywhere else on the frame is pretty nice. The rims, they have some spot rust here and there, but they're pretty clean. Now here's the motor. The crank, 2 cranks I got, are not good. You can see this one here. Does not like to spin. All rusty. This one's junk. You can feel all the grit in there over time just sitting. Did get the clutch basket. It's not too bad, but if I can find one, I'll replace it, but if not, I'll use it. The stator side's not bad. Does need cleaned. All the cases need cleaned. No, like oil, gunk buildup. Now what I don't like is, you can see them flakes in the bottom there. Let me flip this over. Someone in his past life had, I'm assuming, stripped out the drain bolt and tried to repair it themselves. And I'm not sure if that's going to be usable. I'm probably just going to replace the whole engine, not use these cases. Anything, save them in case I need backups. but the seats are horrible. Them bearings are seized. These don't move. This side too. Bunch of metal. All up in the ports and the bearing races. Could be all cleaned, gone over, but now the cylinders. These are special. Now the cylinders. This one was on the engine when I took it out and tore it apart, but it does have major scarring, grooves in there, chunks missing, just corrosion over time, probably micro cracks and just stuff you don't want. Like I said, I'm gonna look for an entire motor, but I do have a tote here of everything else I got with the machine. I have the carburetor in there, the front grille, transmission, front steering stem, the rear shock does need the casing. Air carrier, radiator has Bondo repaired. Transmission, brake drum. Here's the I have another one in here too. Just another cylinder that came with the machine. Someone wanted to put the time into repairing them, but in my case, I'm just looking for a whole replacement engine.